Good morning. Where's Blue Seal? Blue Seal? Where are you? What's wrong, Penny? I can't find Blue Seal.
Blue Seal is missing? We need to find him.
He's my favorite.
Don't worry, we'll find him.
What's happening, Cubs?
Blue Seal is gone! Let's search together.
What are we searching for?
Blue Seal. He's missing. Is it here?
Not there.
Let me check here.
Maybe behind this?
Is he in the box?
No Blue Seal here.
Under the pillow?
Not there either.
Behind the door?
Nothing here.
Where can he be?
Where did you play last?
I don't remember. Did you take him to eat? Maybe.
Let's check there.
Under the table? Near my bowl?
Not on the shelves.
Maybe you dropped him outside?
We played outside yesterday.
Let's go look!
Stay close together.
Blue Seal? Blue Seal? Blue Seal? Blue Seal? Is it here? Did you find him? Did you?
Not there.
Under the snow? I'm digging! Nothing here, Cubs.
Behind this ice? No, sweetie. We'll never find him. Don't cry.
Where else did you play?
The big ice hill. It's not far.
Let's search carefully.
Is he down here?
I'll check higher.
don't see him.
He's really gone.
Wait, what's that?
Where?
In that crack. Something blue.
I see it too. Is it Blue Seal?
Let me get it. I got something.
Is this him?
I found it! I found it!
Here you go, little one.
I missed you so much.
We found him! We found him!
Good teamwork, everyone. I'll never lose you again.
Keep him safe now.
We're good searchers.
Thank you, everyone.
Good night, Blue Seal.